Here we have our Alaris 8015. We need to replace its battery. All we're going to do is flip it over and remove the 4 screws at each corner. And just using a regular Phillips head screwdriver. You get bonus points if you use it on your Swiss Army knife. MacGyver would be proud. And each screw also has a little washer there as well to be mindful of. Simply remove it, get your new one and pop it in. And same thing, it can only be oriented one way. It has these 4 metal contacts that have to go into here, and it can really only fit in that way. One thing to note is the Alaris part number, whether your battery is a 101 or a -1, that could be pertinent depending on which make and model you have. But all we're going to do is drop this in and then screw the screws back in place.